Champ Barbecuers. Today we are doing up some giant Philly cheesesteaks. Oh hell yes, they're gonna be awesome. We're doing most of it on the Blackstone, but we're going to finish them up in the Pit Boss, and I also have some country style beef ribs in the Pit Boss right now, finishing up. And today we're using Cosmos Q, cow cover, and some just cracked black peppercorn. Can't go wrong. ready to get that steak all put together. Put the cheese on it, put the peppers and onions on top of that, slice this bread, put this together, and then we're gonna put it in the Pit Boss to toast up that bread. Oh hell yeah, we got Italian loaves for this monster Philly cheesesteak coming up. All right, we're doing one with provolone, the other with Swiss, baby Swiss that is, and then we're gonna slap it all inside an Italian loaf, each one, put it in a pan, throw it in the Pit Boss with those country style beef ribs, and pull them out in about 15 minutes, tops, at 300. Boom, there's one. Holy. I'm gonna get that in a pan. Close that sucker up. Let's get this in the Pit Boss. These are awesome. Give them a little spray with canola oil, butter oil, whatever you got. Boom. While we're here, let them rest. 10-15 minutes till they're golden brown. And the country style beef ribs are resting that entire time in the foil. I'll open that up as I pull these, and yeah, like everything will be perfect in about 25-30 minutes. grab one of the country style beef ribs, bite into that, grab a cold one, and call it a hell of a day. Cheers. Damn, that smells delicious. The Blackstone and the Pit Boss Vertical. I mean, that's basically that KC combo, right? I just ain't got the KC combo. This works perfect. Cheers, folks. Oh, hell yeah. This looks phenomenal. Let's try that country style beef rib. What? That's rocking. Man. Oof. I mean, look at this. Smoke ring. The juiciness. That is so damn good. That's a grand slam, folks. Man, that's good. Whoa. Now, let's try to bite this Philly cheesesteak. My style. Man. Man. So many ways to have a Philly, but that way rocks every time. Man. No sirloin tips. Oops. I gotta get a shop vac for out here. So good. A lot of marbling. A lot of marbling in those A lot of marbling in those sirloin tips. That's what you're looking for. If you want to have a damn good Philly, get a good cut of meat with a lot of marbling in it. Let that cook slow and low. And don't overdo it. Bite number 2. Oh, hell yeah. Gonna be a messy one, but it's worth it. Hell yeah. Boom. It's so damn good. Very simple, very easy to do, very quick. Oh, man. I mean, damn. Other idea I had, which I probably will do next time, these country style beef ribs. Smoke them up, slice them up, put them in your Philly cheesesteak. I mean, why not? I'm sure. I know that would be a perfect Philly. Damn. So guys, get out, start cooking, And subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below. Hit that bell so you know every video that's coming up next. And like this video. I will catch you guys on the next cook.